Looks like the storm's like wrapping around the back of us. Check the dock here real quick. Yeah, it looks like it just passed us to the south. Lightning popping everywhere off that storm. Sorry, the wind. Not sure if I should go chase that or wait here. We'll find out soon. Yeah, so that's what we're working with. But I think that's just the first wave. We're gonna have stuff popping up all afternoon. Guys, you like my headwear? The gnats are crazy out here. So we went all the way south, like almost to where you go over to Palatka, cut over, chased that first front that came through and chased it all the way back up, kind of past my house. And then wouldn't you know it, we turned around, circled around, and here we are again. It's just got the perfect spot for this storm. We're like right on the edge. There could be light coming through, storms coming through. It's 6:15 and the forecast is saying about 7 o'clock we'll have another squall, lightning storm. Right now we're just running a time lapse, as you can see right there. So if that comes out cool at all, I'll let you see it. We've got about 45 minutes till this next storm comes through. Fingers crossed. Wish me luck, guys.
So the second storm ended up rolling through, but it broke up and it didn't really produce any lightning. So no luck on day one. So let's move on to day two, see what we can get.
I came over to the coast to try to catch it before it kicks off. We have a couple hours before it's supposed to. This time we're out here early. We're not missing the storm front. There's a big, like, kind of tropical storm coming down from Georgia, but I think there's gonna be some developing from the west out this way, as you can see. There were so many people at the beach, I couldn't even find a parking spot. I'm like, oh my, it's a weekday right now. Came down to my favorite little sneaky secret spot. We have this little section to ourselves. So lightning's starting to pop off all around us. Depending on the direction and where things go, I'm just gonna have to play it by ear. Not a lot of lightning. I've seen like 1 or 2 strikes on this storm over here. I'll keep you updated on the storm cells, but we're kind of in and out right now. Whoa, it was a big strike. So just to let you know my settings, I'm at 16 millimeter, f16, ISO 100, a ½ second shutter, and a 1 second interval running on a time lapse. I have a 6-stop filter to get that down as long as I can. Man, there's a boat out here that's trying to outrun the storm. Oh, did you see that lightning? It's right where that boat is too, my God. Big storms coming in down here. Big one cutting across. And there's some more building in the back here. All kinds of opportunity, but I gotta be safe. When your camera's baking in the sun like this, doing a time lapse, keep that thing in the shade if you can. I can't keep the sweat out of my eyeballs. The humidity's so bad. The humidity's like 100% all the time. Your sweat doesn't evaporate. You just keep sweating, and you don't get cool because sweat doesn't evaporate. Might just pack up and go cool off for a minute. See what these storms are doing. Oh my God, guys, I'm seriously overheating right now. You can feel it. The bear's coming on. Can you see the sweat on my forehead? Good Lord. It's easy to overdo it right now. They got the heaters turned up out here. That is no joke. Yeah, 86 my ass. So it looks like some decent lightning coming in. Oh, look at that out there. Ooh, yeah. I think that's where it's coming from too. So I might go do a little drive just north a little bit on A18. Could be good. These old piers with some lightning in the background. All right, yeah, this looks pretty nice. We drove north about 5 minutes to this extra little beach access I know with these piers. Finally cooled off too, so I cooled off and it has cooled off out here. It is so windy out here, it's insane. The sand is just ripping. I don't know if you can see it, but it is just ripping across the top of the beach. Woo. Check out this sand blowing on top of these. No lightning though. Not yet, at least. I should probably be safer than this. My camera bag was a little open. Yeah, now that's covered in sand inside, so that's great. Whoa! Look at the light and stuff though. Kind of magical out. Oh, I'm covered in sand, holy crap. It's passing by us just like kind of right this way. So it's just skirting us, which is awesome. The radar's like lightning everywhere, but I haven't seen one strike on this yet, so hopefully it doesn't get us. I just tried to separate these poles as much as possible. Beep, 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 beep. And have a wide scene, kind of put them low like that. I sure would love some lightning, but you know what? I'll take this. Looks gorgeous. Mother Nature's putting on a show for sure. Lightning or no lightning, it's awesome. I tweaked the composition a little bit. I put that front one like kind of dead center, just even things out a little bit. But look at that right now, beautiful. We're about to get pounded here. The rain is about to smash us. Kind of want to stay, but yeah, it's getting nuts. Let's run. right, guys, we went out for day 3. Tons of nice storms came through, but no lightning, so third time's not the charm this time. We'll have to keep it up. So let's see if we can get them on day 4. All right, guys, day 3, day 4. Right now it is 2:30. Storm's supposed to be rolling in between 4 and 5. I'm gonna head just kind of in the direction of the storms, and hopefully today's the day. Let's do it, guys. Yeah, how you doing? Guys, check out this little turtle I just found. He's so cool. He's like sitting there eating. Nom, 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 nom. Little beach turtle. All right, so we just came out to the beach, burn a little time. It's actually really nice out. I thought I was gonna be sweating, but right now it's 3:30, so I got about an hour and a half. Maybe an hour. I need to be ready. We have a front like right over Jacksonville, and it's kind of pinching everything like right here on the coast. So hopefully everything pops off. Got back from Bing's Landing. I drove down there to see if it was good enough to like shoot from the Intracoastal or Riverside, and it's like a little bit too close to the other side. There's trees kind of in your way, so we came back up the beach a little bit. Now we're just chilling. I think I'm gonna go to the southeast Intracoastal part. It has a gorgeous view over the whole marsh. You can see behind me here, just now starting to like kind of gather and move in. It's nice out. As you can see, the breeze is kicking. But anyway, we're gonna hang out here for a little bit, just enjoy it, and then we're gonna truck it up north a touch and over to the west side and set up for some Intracoastal marsh lightning shots. Fingers crossed. Let's see what we get. Southeast Intracoastal Waterway Park. Man, it's already raining on me. All right, guys, so we're out here. It's raining, it's fully sun shining. Florida, we have a big storm moving across, but no lightning on this. I'll check the radar in a second, but man, it's gorgeous out. You see those rays? I'm sure you can't see it on this camera, but the fort over there is just like glowing, catching that sun. The marsh is gorgeous. So from here, we have an awesome vantage point, full 180 degrees, so we can get any direction if a storm comes through. And we have a quick out if we have to go get out of a crazy storm that comes through, and the car's not very far away at all, so. Looks like we're set up. We'll see what we can get into. Just heard some thunder. Not seeing any lightning yet, but that's a good sign. I might start running a time lapse here. I've got the 6-stop filter on. I might stack the circular polarizer on top because it is still bright out. So let's do that real quick. That should give us a little bit of a longer shutter speed too. My shutter speed is 2.5 seconds. I'm at f/16 ISO 100. So every second it's taking a 2.5 second shot, stopping, 2.5 second shot. So I should have pretty good luck to hit a strike if one does come across. It stopped raining, so we're good there. All right, so we've had a few good strikes. I wasn't really watching because I was flying the sky camera. The storm has moved through. It produced some really cool strikes straight to the ground, cloud to ground.
We had several great strikes all the way to the ground on this storm. And luckily, before the rain washed us out, I was able to capture one shot.
This is just a great blob now, so I either need to reposition or check the radar and see what's coming next. Oh, here comes the rain. I gotta put everything up. Sheesh, gotta run. I got soaked. Oh man, I'm soaked. Look at my camera. She's wet. She's wet. That's why you got to use these. This protects your little electronic contact, so always stick something there, and these little cheap bubble levels are perfect. Good Lord, this thing is soaked. What was I doing? Oh yeah. All right, so the front's kind of passing over us right now, and it's producing a ton of lightning, so I'm gonna head over to the beach, try to shoot the back of it, because everybody will leave the beach, and then it should pass and stop raining. Will it work? Who knows? Let's find out.
So the storms cleared through, and I headed down A1A and came to this great spot I know with dunes and a clear view of the ocean. But just as fast as I got there, here we go again.
right, guys, so we already ran out here. It was lightning everywhere, all around us. I just ran out here and set the time lapse to run already, and then came back and got all my stuff. Ah, here's the rain again. We're about to get smashed. Got to get the camera. It's out here running. Oh yeah, it's about to smash us. Dang it, guys. This is hard to get. Well, here's where I was set up anyway. Up in the dunes here. All right, well, looks like I gotta pack it up again. Jeez, holy crap. I just came out of nowhere. Whew. Be careful out here. What do I got in my pocket? Lens cap, filters, tons of sand, I'm humid. Holy moly, there's people on the beach. Good Lord, 2 girls, that's crazy. All right, so I'm gonna check the radar. This is nuts. I'm just looking at like awesome strikes straight to the ground right now. Driving me crazy. It's just about to stop raining too. I'm gonna get back out there. Very pretty scene here with the dunes and everything. All right, I'm gonna get back out there shortly. It's just now starting to lay down a little bit. Guys, it's been a battle today. All right, I got another time lapse set up. This time I walked a bit further in the beach because it looks like we're pretty clear for a while back here. So nothing should be sneaking up on us. But we pushed through, got a pretty cool composition with the little dunes and the seagrass like mounds everywhere, and just put that in like the bottom third of the frame and have the rest of it all sky. So hopefully, and I've seen a ton of them, we catch one of these strikes. We're right here on this wall, if you can see it. So there's strikes popping off all back there. We got the 16mm prime, then I got the Tamron 28 to 75 at about, yeah, I don't know, probably 30mm. And these are long exposures, it is windy, and these sea oats are kind of, you know, swaying in the breeze, but I don't mind that. As long as it's not a big blurry mush and I get some kind of definition, I kind of like it sometimes. And every so often it'll slow down a little bit. Oh, that was a great strike. That was right in our spot too. I'm gonna let these run for a little while. It's awesome out. Look, storm, no storm.
And with all those strikes around us, non-stop, I somehow was not able to capture any of them on the time lapses. Beautiful time lapse, but still no strikes. And we were having them pop off all around us. So I have no idea how we didn't capture one this time. But again, another absolutely amazing evening out on the beach, so I can't complain.
Let's do it.
All right, for day 5, we had some great storms rolling in, but no lightning. I headed up north on the St. Johns River and ran this time lapse while I waited for lightning strikes to roll in, but none ever came through. So day 6 it is, and this is the one where we finally capture some amazing lightning.
What is it, day 6 maybe? Right on the edge of this crazy storm. Look at this thing. Sorry, I don't have the mic hooked up, so it might be a little choppy, but I have my camera already running. I'm gonna set up the Osmo Action to do a time lapse too. Ooh, this one's crazy. It's just after 3 o'clock. The storms are supposed to be going through like till 8 or 9, so should have a good shot today. All right, so we're like right in between 2 storms. It's drizzling, it's raining on the lens. Of course, I forgot my lens cloth, using my extra pair of socks that I always have. I don't forget my socks, but I forget my lens cloth. Funny. I think our shutter's at like 2.5 seconds, so we should have good odds to get a shot. Gnats are horrendous, but I am on a farm, parked on the side of the road, as you can see. See, you can see that storm behind us, and then little gap. Breeze is kicking up. All right, so we have had several awesome strikes. I could probably just run this right here. You'll see one in a minute. They have just been slamming to the ground, so hopefully we've caught one today. Uh-oh, here comes the rain and the sunshine. Gotta love Florida, sunshine and rain.
Finally, we got some amazing strikes off of the sill. I ended up capturing 12 different strikes, and here they are composited into a final image. Daytime lightning can be hard because the contrast of the bright sky and the lightning can be very difficult to capture. But if you're able to capture them in front of a dark, stormy background, they still look amazing.
It's starting to pour. Let's run. Here comes the rain. It's soaked in here. Careful, shut this big dog. All right, let's rock it. Man, those were some good strikes on that storm. I hope we got some. I'm gonna go regroup, see where these storms are coming and going, and see what we'll do next.
And if you haven't seen my loop video, go check that out after this, because it will improve your photography more than anything, and you barely have to get far away from the house.
Dang, that's where I park. That tree is huge. Check this out, guys. This is where I usually park my car. Look what fell. Thing is huge. Glad I didn't come here first. Wow. So it looks like there's a big thunderstorm coming from the southwest, which would line up perfect with my little power plant shot I want to get. Oh yeah, there's already lightning popping off in that direction. You can't really see the power plant though, because it's like shrouded in rain. But there's definitely lightning, so as long as it's not raining here, I should probably just go ahead and run a time lapse.
This storm moved in so fast it was crazy, like a giant UFO taking over. I only had enough time to whip out my phone and get a panoramic shot. Just after that, the rain came heavy.
It's absolutely crazy out here. We gotta run.
Day 7, the final flight of my drone. This was a hard day. The storms came through, but they weren't producing any lightning, just an absolutely amazing sunset. So I headed down to the river to get some drone clips. And little did I know, this would be the last day she flies. We got an amazing red fiery sunset. And I was hanging out on the edge of the river just getting tons of different clips. And right at the end of blue hour, just before dark, I was like, you know what? Let me turn off my obstacle avoidance and get this shot right between these trees. And that was my fatal mistake. After I got that clip, I forgot it was off. I was running backwards and slammed it straight into some trees. Luckily, it didn't go in the water, but it did break one of the arms and the body is separating. There may be a slim chance I can repair it, but as you know, there's no DJI care in the US anymore. Thanks for protecting me, government. I appreciate that. But I'm almost certain these are the final clips my drone will ever capture, and I don't think I can replace it because I don't make any money doing this and I am not a rich man, so unfortunately, this will be the end of my drone clips. Rest in peace, Mini 5 Pro. We didn't have long, but you were fun. We did get some amazing video.